To end our news bulletin for tonight, government's awareness campaign continued today as the old folks on the northern side of the island take up the trip around government projects. The initiative was introduced last week for the southern side of the island. The reaction was positive as some older folks around the island did not know or realize there was such a thing as an industrial park or a new government building. Some were more skeptical though, commenting that government of the day had started election campaigns early. Premier Talangi quashed those rumours, informing interested old folks that developmental projects around the island is for all people of Niue to visit and benefit from. That's our news bulletin for this evening. Good night.